Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section at the top, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. At the top we've got this option add from photos, so obviously you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, just enter your gallery. Just tap on it and then you will enter the gallery. So all we have to do to change the wallpaper is to simply tap on it, and now it will appear on the full screen. So if you're happy with the result, with your choice, just tap on set as, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back. Not now. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.